Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you see my channel, please subscribe and follow me if you are already in my channel. So welcome back. So today I will talk you about a new website like you see with me here. It's called Data Science Central, and it's an online community and resource hub for professionals and enthusiasts in the field of data science. So to get started with the website, simply head on over to Data Science Central or datasciencecentral.com in Google or any other browser that you use. So this is some of the results I got after my search. I have here the official site, some people questions, and their page on LinkedIn and also on Twitter and Instagram, and some similar websites and some images. So we need the first or the official site, that means the first one. Let's click on datasciencecentral.com, big data use and analysis. So once you click to the link, you get directly to the homepage or the interface of the website. This is their logo and the name, and this is where you can find all the key features and the bar search and all the information that you need to know when you get to the website. So let me show you how to register for the first time. You need to go just here and register from this blue button here, and if you are already a member, you need just to log in by your email and password. We will register for the first time, so we need to click to register, and here the present page where you will or you need to enter this following informations here to register successfully. So the first information, you need to enter the corporate email address, and it should be a corporate email address, not just a normal one. I don't have a corporate email, so I will just show you the different information that you need to enter. I will not create a real account because I don't use this website. And you need to enter the first name, the last name, and the company name. Like example, I will just choose this one, and the job title here, like example, okay, it's just a job title, yours. And you need just to select from this one here the seniority. Are you in the C-level executive team, or an EVP, CVP, or VP, or AVP, or a director, manager, architect, or analysis, or staff? You need to select from here. And also the job function, you will see the different choices here when you choose the seniority. Like example, if we choose that we are an architect, this one here will be all the jobs function that related to the architect, and you need to choose one of them. And you need to enter the address one. When you see this red star, that means it's obligatory to enter that information. Where you find nothing, that means it's just optional. I don't have a second address, that means I will just skip the step and show you. And we have here the city or the town, the country, and be careful because this information should be valuable and correct because they will check it out later. And for the state or the province, you need just to select once from here, and you see this red star, that means it's obligatory. Then the zip code or the postal code, then the phone number that you use, and the of employees, you need to select the numbers of the employees. Okay, it's plus than 10,000 or between 5,001 and 10,000 and more. And if you are just a little team, you need just to click on between 1 or 10 or 11 and 100. Then for the industry, you need just to select once from here. This is independent to you. Now for the register, you need to agree for the terms of use or the privacy policy, and you need also to agree to the information being processed by the teach target and its partners to contact them via phone, email, or their means regarding information relevant to their professional interest. It may unsubscribe at any time. That means this one it's optional if you want to agree or disagree. And then you need just to click on register now to create the account successfully. Now let's come back to the home page to talk more about all the key features that the website is provide to us. So like all this kind of the websites, it presents to us a lot of articles on the blogs. You will find them in technical topics. The Data Science Central is also hosts a vast collection of article, blog posts, and tutorials written by experts and practitioners in the field of data science. These resources cover a wide range of topics, including data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data, and more. Like example, let's choose one from these choices here to see what is present to us. Like example, the AI data stores. Let's choose this one. So here you will find the decision forum for the AI data stores. The platform provides a decision forum where members can engage in conversation, ask questions, and seek advice on various data science topics. It serves as a space for knowledge sharing, collaboration, and problem solving within the data science community. And here you will find all the type of the topics, the business topics, this one's here, and the sector topics are here. You need just to click on if you want something specific. And programming languages, you need just to select it from here, and media types, and also the help or the supports for the customers. And let me tell you that this website is present to us the resource library, and it's very important. The Data Science Central maintains a comprehensive resources library with links to books, research papers, data tests, or the software tools and other valuable research related to data science. It serves as a repository of knowledge for professionals looking to expand their understanding of the field, and that you will find it on here, the education spotlight, or everything is similar or has a connection with the education and the university. And also for the community of the engagement, the Data Science Central encourage community engagement through user-generated content commands and contribution. Members can share their own articles, contribute to decisions, and interact with fellow data science enthusiasts. So that's all what I can tell you today about this website. I hope you get understand, and if you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends or everyone that you want to know about the website. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next time and next video.